this could be even hotter than Cuba.
I don't like it. Something about the whole thing stinks.
I agree. You'd better hurry.
Sokolov ran off by himself, but I'll catch up to him.
We're counting on you.
Aloy.
Yung emulation is malaki yung kanyang contribution, no, for the preservation of games. Maintenance and preservation of specialized, no, kapag unemployed ka, parang normal ka lang din, no? Kumakain ng tama, no? Dito, 7 days a week. Siyempre, ayaw mong mag-spend ng pera, no, outright, just to try it or what. Tapos wala pang demo. So, pwede ka manood ng review.
And not a moment sooner.
Fine. Captain's a friend of mine, you know? Where is Erend? Wouldn't mind speaking to
Water started flooding the place as quick as I drink ale. I barely managed to drag us here.
So something's keeping the water inside the tunnels.
What are you thinking?
I've got an idea. Are there more explosives?
Ang mindset ng mga tao, especially yung mga nasa kapangyarihan, no, yung mga boss natin, ang mind shift dati.
Abuisit yung pilay dun eh. Si Mayu sa kasi ano. Sino?
Blah 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 shit, no? Ang daming shit, no? Kaya minsan din ako naniniwala sa mga ganung giorno eh. Kaya 'di ba, maniwala na lang kayo sa mga small YouTuber na nagre-review na.
You did it. I thought you blew yourself up.
I should go.
I'll be.
Is that the best you can do?
Tinker with that gear of yours.
Huh. You're not the boss, are you?
Well, but he's drunk. You but?
I might be.
That's what.
Na parang gaming related. Kunyari, controller, yan. Para kay TJ kasi parang pambili niya ng controller yan. Hindi siya papasok dun sa criteria ng EULA. Hindi EULA eh. Tama ba? Yeah, EULA. EULA ang tawag doon. No? Parang End User License Agreement. Yan. Yan ibig sabihin ng EULA. Yung EULA Valdez. Yan, EULA. Ito sa Google definition niya. So, commodity is a hindi na to, no? Kasi hindi naman siya raw materials or what. No, or at least sa agricultural. Hindi yan yung definition.
He is self-appointed. Work stoppage was his idea.
Yeah, well, I'm just passing through. Got an embassy to attend.
So, susundan na natin siya. Ito na yan eh, oh. Ito na yung final area eh, oh. Oh. Oh, boss fight na yan eh. Dal dito.
Publish ng game na ikaw talaga yung owner ng game na to, or meron kang access dun sa game na to. 'Di ba? So parang nangyari, merong concept yung mga fans talaga, no? Yeah, alam nila lahat in and out ng isang game. Pero usually, hindi kasi kayang kumonek nung kang kakayanan to talk about what do you call this? To talk about this, no, na ito yung view mo Metacritic and you're being critical on a game, I mean, meron bang justification or valid ba yung criticism mo about the game itself? 'Di ba? Hindi natin ma-measure 'yan eh.
Kukunan.
You won't get away from me!
Aren't just there for decoration, sister.
Lang sa sa hot seat, di ba? May mga demandahan na, may mga investigation nang nangyayari, no? O, di ba? Sa mga whistleblower, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Video game magazines and books prior to the digital revolution. So, isa-isahin natin to, no? So, marami. Kumbaga, yung game preservation na sinasabi natin, no? Hindi lang siya
Yung garden.
ng mga transaction. So ngayon, ano yung parang pinaka magic dito, no? Kung bakit parang very reliable yung blockchain, no?
Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
Kahit kanino yung exe ng game, 'di ba? Sorry. Available yung exe ng game. So, technically speaking, hindi siya mawawala.
and use it as leverage in his bid for power.
Iba yung pwesto. Kasi Haibara tong ano. X. Ulat ako dun ah.
Oh well. Now at least you have some backup.
Yung version o yung progress nung gawa natin. Kunyari, meron kang isang file. And then, syempre, dun sa all throughout ng work mo, you keep on updating that.
Comrades! Mark this day! Today you have decimated the marshals! Slaughtered the Karja!
Sa lahat ng bagay. Steady lang, Claudia, steady lang. Ano to? Ano mo, grabe kayo, no? Sana all daw ganyan.
You'll never make it in your
A
condition.
baby ka snake.
It's a jungle out there. There's still an hour before dawn.
Sir, iba mo yung spelling, sir. Ganito dapat ang spelling ng Zex. Tuturuan kita. Ayan. Ganyan dapat ang spelling lagi. Huwag nyo i-outright kasi binablock ni YouTube. Ni Facebook.
Parang apat yata o 5 chap.
Not even the safe.
Well, thanks, but I've waited long enough. It's time to go.
Absolutely not. This embassy depends on diligent adherence.
Damn it. He found us.
Client. Diba? Ito yung client kunyari. Para ma-view or makuha niya, no? Yung data na yan, ang nangyari is dina-download natin Budol. Ito si Mix, taga-budol to eh. No? Taga-budol to ng ano eh. Hook na ako daw sa metaphor. No? Which is, yeah, true. No? To be honest, it's something din na gusto kong laro.
Ah, okay. Pero anong purpose nga nung
HQ. This is HQ.
Patrol here. We've lost sight of the enemy. Commence alert formation. What's that?
Okay. Anong kaguluhan daw to, sir? No, anyway, ayun nga, no. So I try to read all of the comments muna, guys, no, before tayo mag-simula nung parang pinaka
Purpose greater than myself. And for the good of all. I carry those words with me.
Kasi parang ang idea dati sa internet is that parang mag-share lang siya ng information. Para lang siyang dyaryo. No, na parang kunyari, ako yung content. Okay. Pero during 2017 no, until 2019 ata ng Easy Allies, ayun yung parang pinaka-pick nila for me.
Crown of ash and salt, their kindness calls to me. I have to block it out. My voice is
sa minigame eh. Medyo mahirap eh. Lalo na yung challenges si Chadley. Yan, bago ko na platinum yan.
On the other side of the mountains, a sinkhole swallowed them, releasing them into the underground tunnels that led east and out into the Daunt.
So it was an accident, but let us...
Enzo.
In America. Please, take me to America. Quickly. They cannot complete it without my help. Got it.
I have to clear out this place before I can look around.
Whoa! You won't get away with that! Stop her!
I'm going to clear out the bristlebacks. And when I'm done, this valley is going to get moving.
If that's what it takes. Until then, I'll keep looking after the safety of these good folk.
kayo lahat.
Na siya. No, anyway, those are NFT topic shit, no? Or I mean NFT, I mean crypto. Yeah. Blockchain, crypto.
Layo nung save point ko.
Order without first consulting you. Evidence says otherwise. Aloy found the shipping manifest in the mine. You skirt.
Uy, yun, hospital, no?
And then you try to absorb kung ano yung mga sinabi niya na parang something na as a casual, no, ng maybe the franchise, no, kung part ng
nakakapagod yung balik-balik eh.
From that range, huh?
Alright, I should find whoever's in charge here. But first, I could resupply at my stash.